Plantain, corned beef, and cabbage lasagna. Caribbean comfort food with a twist. First, we're going to fry the plantains 3 minutes on each side. Now we take them out the pot. I'm going to press them now. So just press them flat. Now going to put back inside the pot and fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now I saute onions and sweet peppers, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and cabbage. Just going to open the corned beef. So now I'm going to mash them up first before I add them to the pot. So now adding them to the pot. Here I add some ketchup and water mixed together just to loosen up the corned beef for it don't dry. So to my skillet, I'm going to base it with some of the corned beef and cabbage. Here I add the crushed fried plantain, some more corned beef and cabbage. Here I add some cheddar cheese, some more corned beef and cabbage. One next layer plantain, top off with cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to bake in the oven at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how it look. Nice and tasty, my people. Tastes so good. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.